Hi my genies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I accomplished this amazing look. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. So today guys, I'll be showing you guys how I do install my fox locks and short hair. So first I detangle her hair with my fingers so it doesn't cause any rip to her hair. So right now I'm just trying to get the first part, straighten it, and I part here from like the tip of her ear across to the other tip of her hair, and then I just use my shining gem to clean up the part. You know, you want to make your parts a little bit straight and nice. And I should have showed you guys the comb that I use. You guys want this, you need this comb, it works wonders. Before using this comb, my parting was so bad, but since I started using this comb, it's amazing. And then for the back, I part from the back tip of the ear, if that makes sense. So for the first part, I part from the top tip of the ear to the other tip of the other ear. And then for the back, I part from the back tip of the ear to the other back, to the across to the other tip of the other ear. I hope that makes a lot of sense to you guys. And then I still use my shining gem to clean up the parts with this comb. In the next video, I will be showing you guys the comb that I use. But this comb, I got it on Amazon. It's pretty good comb. I really love this comb. It makes your parting super clean. So yeah, I'm just going in, cleaning up my parts. You guys can part how you find it easy and preference for you to part, because parting is really like a skill that you have to have. Okay, so because her hair is short, to get more secure with the locks, to make sure she doesn't lose any of her locks, I just go in with some braids. Just braid naturally, but do not start the braids too tight at the root of the hair. So you just want to braid it enough so that her natural hair doesn't pull out of the braid. So tight enough that the hair keeps stuck in the braids, but make sure it's not tight on her scalp, because we're gonna wrap the hair around the root, so you don't want the root to be too tight, because you have to crochet in throughout her hair. So I just, like I said guys, I just braid some extensions on her hair. You only do this if your hair is short, because this tutorial is for like short hairs. If your hair is like of a good length, then you won't need the extension. But if you want extra secure, with all means do your braids. For me, when I do this hairstyle, I like to use 2 needles. The first needle, I put all the locks on it, like all 21 locks that comes in the package, I put it on it. Okay, so how you do this guys, lock the end of the hair on the crochet needle, and then the same end, push it through the root of her hair and pull it through, and then the hair that you're gonna wrap around that, you push it through the hair. I'm gonna try explaining that to you guys one more time in just a minute. So now I'm just wrapping the natural hair on the her hair, just to cover up the braids, and then at the end I just wrap it twice with my hand. Okay, so let me explain to you guys one more time. So I grab the end of the hair, lock it on the crochet hook, pull the hair through, then I push the crochet needle through the root of her hair, grab the ends of the same hair that is hooked with the crochet hair, and pull it through the root, Then I section off some of the natural hair. I want to say you want to use like a generous amount that you would sure know that will cover the braiding hair. Push it through her roots and then pull it through. Pull it through the side that you know you can wrap it with properly. And then just, for the roots, I wrap it like twice at the roots, not too tight. And then I just wrap it down. And each time I wrap, I split the hair in like two at the top. So it's like the top part that I'm going down from has a double loop. And then I just rub the ends with my hand. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this wrapping from a different angle, because just watching it over I realized that this was a really bad angle. So I hook the crochet here, pull through the locks, then open it on the root of her hair, pull through the hair, and then pull it down, right? Then I get the extra kinky hair. I use the Morley kinky hair, guys. And then I push the crochet needle from the roots of her hair where all the other hair is locked. Put my hair through the crochet needle, lock my needle, pull one strand through, and then I start wrapping the hair. Wrap from whatever side is easier for you guys. That will give you extra coverage. Wrap twice at the root, and then I start going down with the Marley hair, and make sure that it covers each of the, so wherever you're wrapping from the top to the bottom, try to like split the hair in half and wrap it down, and then you guys will get a better look. So at the end, like I said, I just wrap it the bottom of the hair to give it some, just a little extra security. So one more time, I'm showing you guys. And this, I just do it throughout the ending of the hair, because everything's basically the same. You just hook the hair with the crochet needle at the end and pull through the crochet here. Then you pull the same braid through the root of her hair and then form like a little loop. Then you get your Marley here, push the crochet needle from the roots and push through your Marley here with only one strand. Then when you're at the root, you wrap it 2 times around. And guys, I use this method to do my crochet fox locks because I find it when it's time to take it out, it's the easiest. This is where a lot of people, like most people, would want to install this hair, but when it's time to take it out, that's where all the danger comes in, because a lot of people cut their hair out. I would give you guys a tip. If you don't know how to take it out, go to your same stylist and ask them to take it out, because you will ruin your hair doing this style. So yes guys, I do this throughout all her hair, and then when I did her edges and everything, I'm fine, and then I just clip off any, if the Marley hair is like a bit fluffy, I just cut it off, and this is the final